From my grandfather, who was an excellent fisherman, I learned that fish love the smell of roasted, and even burnt food, seeds, nuts, and cereals in particular. I successfully apply this knowledge in my own fishing, and in one of my videos I showed how roasted, actually burnt wheaten cereals attracted fish. The link is in the description below. I myself love roasted nuts. So one day I took them with me on a fishing trip and decided to check right there how coarse fish would react to their flavor. They are quite oily, and although this should also attract fish, roasted nuts do not expand, so they do not need to be soaked. Let's see how large and small coarse fish react to this treat while I finish off the leftovers on the bank. It seems that the fish liked the peanuts as much as I did, although the small fish could not swallow them. I think the main attracting factor was the smell, or taste, and then also the oil. They worked like a starter. They didn't feed the fish, but they did whet their appetite. I think peanut butter mixed with dough, for example, or something else that will help keep it on the hook, should work as a good bait. It's a pity that my grandfather never tried this simple and tasty treat, and I'm sure he would have liked it for himself and for fishing. Let us know what you think about using roasted nuts for fishing, and please share your experience.